Period hacks. Every girl needs to know periods. The monthly reminder that we're magical, powerful beings who can bleed for days and still survive, but also cry because our charger is too far away. Hey Daisies! Welcome back to Glowbie, your cozy corner for skincare, confidence, and living your best, glowiest life. Today, we're tackling that time of the month. Because let's be real, getting your period is like having an uninvited guest who shows up with cramps, cravings, and a suitcase full of drama. But don't worry, I've got your back with period hacks every girl needs to know. From cramps to cravings to those, why am I crying at a dog commercial? Moments. We're turning this monthly roller coaster into a smooth ride. Section 1. Cramp Crushing Hacks. Let's start with the villain of the period saga, cramps. Because why just bleed when you can also feel like a tiny angry goblin is twisting your insides? 1. The tea trick. Step 1. Be dramatic. Make yourself a hot cup of ginger or peppermint tea, wrap yourself in a blanket like a human burrito, and sigh deeply. Not only does the tea help relax your muscles, but you also get to feel like the main character. 2. DIY heat pad. No heating pad? No problem. Take a sock, fill it with rice, microwave it for 30 seconds, and voila, instant heat pack. Just make sure you don't cook the sock, unless you want the kitchen to smell like a weird popcorn experiment. 3. Magnesium magic. Dark chocolate, spinach, almonds, they're loaded with magnesium, which helps ease cramps. So basically, eating chocolate is self-care, doctor's orders. 4. Stretch it out. Try some gentle yoga poses, child's pose, cat-cow, or happy baby. Yes, you may look ridiculous lying on the floor like a baby. But hey, if it calms your cramps, who cares? Section 2. Leak-proof tips. Leaks, the ultimate backstabber. Your period is all sweet and calm until you stand up and suddenly feel like Niagara Falls. 1. Double defense at night. Layer a pad with period underwear at night. It's like Fort Knox for your bed. Say goodbye to waking up and checking your sheets like you're solving a CSI crime scene investigation. 2. The towel trick. If you're extra paranoid, because same, put a dark towel under you while you sleep. It's not cute, but neither is scrubbing your mattress at 3 a.m. 3. Track it, don't guess it. Use period apps like Flow or Clue, because surprise periods are only cute in rom-coms, not in real life when you're wearing white pants. Section 3. Beat the bloat and mood swings. Bloating and mood swings. The dynamic duo you didn't ask for. 1. Banana power. Bananas, avocados, and sweet potatoes are packed with potassium. Basically, the Avengers for fighting bloating. Bonus. You get to feel healthy while still dramatically eating a banana in bed. 2. Anti-bloat snacks. Snack on cucumbers, watermelon, and ginger. These are anti-bloat foods. But if you want to cry while doing it, that's okay too. We're multitaskers. 3. Fancy water, because why not? Hydrate, but make it aesthetic. Add lemon, cucumber, or mint to your water so you feel like you're at a luxury spa, instead of just lying on the couch scrolling TikTok. Cravings, but smart. For sweet cravings, dark chocolate or berry smoothies. For salty, air-popped popcorn with a sprinkle of sea salt. It's all about balance, not blandness. Section 4. Period emergency kit. Every girl needs a period emergency kit. Think of it as your superhero sidekick, but cuter. What to pack? Pads, tampons, menstrual cup, because, duh. Spare underwear, because we don't trust Aunt Flo. Painkillers or essential oil roller. Peppermint for headaches, lavender for cramps. Wipes, for those fresh and fabulous moments. A mini chocolate bar, for medical purposes, of course. A scrunchie, because comfort starts with a messy bun. Keep this in your bag, locker, or car, so you're always that girl who's prepared for life's sneaky plot twists. Section 5. Self-care rituals for period days. Now let's romanticize our periods, Because why just suffer when you can suffer in style? 1. Skincare equals self-care. Periods love messing with your skin, so stick to gentle cleansers and hydrating face masks. It's not just skincare, it's therapy. 2. Comfort but make it cute. Wear dark flowy clothes, soft hoodies, oversized tees, cozy joggers. No one will know if you're bloated or just giving off mysterious girl energy. 3. Set the mood. Light a candle, make a playlist with soft girl vibes, and wrap yourself in a blanket. Romanticize your period like you're the star of a moody indie film. 4. Mindset magic. Repeat after me. I'm not moody, I'm just passionate. I'm not bloated, I'm just full of power. Own it, Daisies. All right, Daisies, now it's your turn. What's your holy grail period hack? Drop it in the comments. Let's build the ultimate period survival guide together. Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and join the Glowbie fam, where we glow through every phase of life. And remember, your period might be powerful, but you are unstoppable. Stay glowing, Daisies.